Dear audience, good morning. Today I am going to discuss how to import Excel data in STATA. So before going to the main session, I would request you to download the dataset from the description link and keep the dataset in ABC folder within D drive. So please in the D drive, make ABC folder, and within the ABC folder, please keep the dataset, my data. This is the dataset. Just download from the description link. You can keep any folder, no problem. But since I kept the dataset ABC and I will write the do file syntax based on this link, then it will be easy. So first we open the STATA. Okay, this is the STATA. This is the STATA software. So to open the dataset, click file, just file, then import. Then Excel. Please see the pathway, file, import, Excel. Then click here. Then we can get a dialog box. So please click the browse option. Click browse. Then obviously we have to go to the D drive. Since we kept the dataset in D drive in the ABC folder. ABC folder. Then click my data, just my data. Okay. So please see the Excel sheet. First row used as the variable name. There are many rows, but first row contain the variable. So we have to select the first row as the variable name. The first row as the variable name. And obviously there are two sheets. One is data and other is code book. So we have to select data. There are two sheets. One is data and other is code book. Obviously, we have to select the data one. Then okay. Yes. So data have been uploaded. So if we click the data view here, okay, this is the data. So in the STATA, there are several types of windows. This is the main windows, and this is the data editor, and this is the do file or syntax file. We will work on syntax file. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax of opening data. This is the syntax of opening data. So we can copy and paste in the do file. Where is do file? That we have to click here. Please see, click here. Here, okay, this is another do file. So if we paste here, so import Excel from where? From D drive, from ABC folder, and within ABC folder, there is a Excel file, my data. Sheet, there are two sheets, but my data, data one contain the data, and row at then in the last, in the end of the sentence, we have to write clear. So if we run, okay, that has been run. Now we can save. We can save the data set. So go to File, Save As, go to the ABC folder. Where is the ABC folder? And we can give the name just my data 2 and save. Okay, then data has been saved. And if we go to the in the ABC folder, there is a data set, my data set. Just I save this data set. This is the original data set in Excel, and after uploading data set, just I save as my data set 2. So just now we clear data set, we clear data set. So if we open this data set, just we close data set, close, just close. So if we double click uh, in the file, yes, this is our main file. This is the data set. But without variable labeling, it is not possible to identify the name of character of variable. For example, B012, I don't know its name, but in the code book, it is clearly mentioned that what is the meaning of the variable. So obviously we have to set the variable name. So today just I have discussed how to open data, how to save data, and how to use the do file. Just we can use a do file. I will discuss later. For example, if we would like to summary data, just tab command will be used for category variable. The proportional percentage of the category 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know the meaning of 1, 2, 3. Obviously, we have to set the value label. So in the uh, next session, I will discuss how to define variable label, how to define value label. And obviously, we have to use syntax file. So if we use tab, V0, V024, and if we select and click here, just click here. Yeah. If we type sum means summary, sum means category age is the continuous variable. So if we type s, then summary is okay, is okay, then mean and standard deviation. So if you would like to estimate mean and standard deviation, then the command is sum, then variable length. And if we would like to estimate the frequency for category variable, then just tab sorry, tab. Always the function will be small letter. 0 means no education, 1 means educated, but obviously we have to define the value label. Otherwise, it is very difficult to identify the meaning of the category. So now I am stopping here, and in the next session, I will discuss how to define variable label and value label. Thank you so much.